Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find about phone, so go to the very top of the list. Now we have to find this OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So keep tapping, and here you've got the information. So now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down and enter additional settings. Scroll down again, and here you've got the developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, you've got plenty of advanced settings which you can customize. So for example, here you've got some connection options like Bluetooth, NFC, etc. Here you can change the drawing, so for example window animation scale or the contrast. To turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. As you can see, your device will need to be restarted to remove the developer options from the list. I don't want to do it right now, and then the developer options will disappear from the additional settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS versions tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.